My name's Caleb. I drive a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, and I've had that thing for about a year and a half now. And one of the things that really bugged me was the interior. It only came with cloth seats with no option to upgrade. And between my lifestyle and my hobbies, whether it's going to the range or hitting the trails every weekend, or camping, taking the dog to the dog beach, or even just taking my dog to work every day, it's just been taking a beating on the interior. It gets super dusty and dirty, and the smell of wet dog is still in there. It just got to a point where I figured out that I had to really do something about it. So I did some research, and I didn't want to go with generic seat covers since that's just as bad. And I came across Katzkin and decided to give them a shot. Here we are a couple months down the road, and it's probably the best interior upgrade I did to my truck. It's so much easier to clean now. It smells like clean leather. It doesn't smell like wet dog anymore, and it's just completely transformed my ride.